civil authorities have issued a child abduction for all counties at Kansas. Kansas City Police Department was looking for Ken Smith, a 2-year-old white male, 2 feet 45 pounds, with brown hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a gray shirt with a dog picture on it, blue shorts, and black shoes. The child was abducted by Ricky Smith, a 26-year-old white male, 6 feet 191 pounds, with black hair and black eyes. Ricky is operating in red off-road 4x4 Mercedes M156 V8 Mercedes 190E Evo with license plate SVK 1836. If you've seen the child, call 999.
Spunky, Earl escaped from the science lab again. I'll go at the